Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get Geometry Dash on your PC or laptop or Windows. So how can you get it? First of all, go to the official website of Steam. Steam, you just need to search on Google, just write down Steam, and you will see the website steam.steampower.com. So just open the website Steam and make sure that you are logged in with your account. So once you're logged in with your account, and you will see this homepage. So on this homepage, you will see the search section as well. So just go to the search section and write down here Geometry Dash. And once you write down Geometry Dash, you will see the results like Geometry Dash along with the price as well. So just click on it, and once you click here, you will see the game and scroll down and you will see this option buy Geometry Dash. So you can see the price for Windows and for Apple. You can buy it. Just click on add to cart, and once you click on add to cart, just click on view my cart. And once you click on view my cart, you can see like for my account or whatever you want to select, just click on continue to payment. The total payment is basically almost $3. So just click on it, and once you click on it, they will ask you for a payment method. So just select a payment method. Either you want to go with the PayPal, Visa card, or MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB, whatever you want to select. Like these are all supported payment methods. You can just click on it. You can just, let's say I want to go with PayPal or any MasterCard or Visa card. You just need to fill out the information. Once you fill out the information, just click on continue and check out. Once you check out, you will be able to play the Geometry Dash on the PC or laptop. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.